When you make pasta like this, everyone will ask you for the recipe. I've got some rump here and I'm going to season it with salt and black pepper. I'll also add paprika and finally a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now we're going to mix this meat until all the ingredients are involved. Once that's done, let's fry the meat. Heat the oil in a pan and let the meat fry until it is golden brown. When it's golden brown, add an onion cut into half moons. Let it fry for 2 minutes and then set the meat aside with the onions. In the same pan, I'll add 2 pieces of chicken breast cut into strips. I'm going to let this chicken fry, but first I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. And stir. Let the chicken fry until it's golden brown. That's the point, folks. At this point, we can return the meat and onion to the pan and mix everything well. Once that's done, add a carrot cut into strips, a red bell pepper, also cut up, a yellow bell pepper, and half a piece of broccoli. Now let's stir everything well and let it cook for 4 minutes. Meanwhile, I've got this boiling water here. I'm going to add salt and 250 grams of spaghetti noodles. I'll let it cook for 5 minutes. That's it. Now let's strain the water from the noodles. Back here in the pot, I'm going to make our pasta sauce. Here in this bowl, I have 500 ml of water with 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I'm stirring to dissolve it. I'm going to stir it here, and then I'm going to cover it so that it becomes a full-bodied sauce. I let it cook for 3 minutes. And look how delicious it is. Now we can add the cooked pasta, and this pasta is perfect. Now let's mix in the sauce. Guys, it's simply amazing. Everyone in the house loved it. This recipe is very special. Whenever I make it here, it's a huge success. Look how delicious it is. Now just serve it. Look at the perfection. These noodles are delicious. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.